I just received this new dash cam from Ricilar, and I'm going to do an unboxing and review the camera. If there's one thing I would say about it is maybe make it somehow a little easier to get in the box. It kind of forms a vacuum seal and it makes it really difficult to get into it. So I haven't opened it. I have no idea what's going on with it here. Also, here's the camera itself. You can see the buttons on the, not sure if that's top or bottom. That would be the bottom of the camera. Has a little film over the screen to protect it. Plug in your card here, an on-off switch. Yeah, it feels pretty substantial. It feels pretty nice. Okay, in the box. Okay, this I haven't read the instructions or anything about it yet, but this appears to be the GPS that you would set up on it. Some little sticky clips for mounting the wiring. The rear mounting camera here. You can see that. The little clip that looks like it swivels. Okay, and here's the suction mount that'll hook up on the camera. That's the best way to mount these in a car is with these suction cups. You can take them off, take them out if you want to. And here's the wire kit to run to the camera. An extremely long kit here that runs to the camera in the back. It's a Type-C plug. Looks like they're all Type-C plugs. And this is a little tool for stuffing the wires under the material on the car. Okay, it's kind of hard to show, but the camera is mounted on the windshield and comes around the top here into this pillar and then comes down the door, or actually the door jamb, and it goes underneath the dash glove box area, and then I just bring it back up here to plug in this area. And on the other side, it runs the same way along the windshield by the pillar and tucks underneath that center one and goes around to the back. The camera I have mounted here, it's not really a good spot for it, but there's no other place here. This little spot interferes just a little bit with the video. And as you see the size of it, you can't mount it on the inside of the car. It's got to be mounted outside.
Taken by the words that you say, The voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be? That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the ways. Oh, let me show you all the ways. Yeah, let me show you all the ways. Taken by the words that you say. The voice that carries them has kept me astray. Too soon to act on it, can we ever be? That all depends on what you're feeling from me. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the way. Let me show you all the ways. Yeah, let me show you all the ways. Got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah, for my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay.
You must use the U3 high-speed card with a recommended capacity of 8 gigabytes to 256 gigabyte. If you use lower than the U3, it could cause video stutter or black screen, or the video cannot record or be played. Do not remove the SD card while it is saving or reading data. You can read the data with a card reader or connect the camera to the computer with a data cable. It needs to have the function of data transmission. I used a card reader and just pulled the card from the camera and put it in the reader. It worked real well, plugged in my laptop. The camera has a collision sensor, and once a collision occurs in the parking mode, it'll start recording a 1-minute video, automatically save it, and lock the video to not be overwritten. It takes a special hardware kit that you have to buy separately. If you want to turn off the screen but the dash cam continues to record, just select screensaver and choose the 1, 3, or 5 minutes in the settings, and the dash cam will continue to record normally. What it was doing on mine, it displays the clock. It's a 2-inch dash camera, and the compact, unobtrusive size will not attract attention and get in the way of your vision. It has a built-in battery and is designed to maintain and saving settings. So when it's in the car, you need to make sure it's plugged in and charging, and then whenever you unplug it for any reason, then it's got a battery storage that'll help maintain the memory and the settings. Ricilar sent me this camera to do a review of it and give my opinion. I'm under no obligation to tell you anything other than my true belief of the camera. Pleased with the quality of the build, and I'm exceptionally pleased with the quality of the video. The 4K looks very nice. I have an additional dash cam that I use or have been using for quite some time, and it compares well. I'm pleased with the camera, and for the price point, you can't go wrong with this camera. Now, if you're interested in the camera, there's going to be a link in the description box below. If you purchase through that link, you'll have an available 30% off discount, and there'll be a code that you'll have to use also in the description. So hope you find this video helpful.